Mama dadah.
Okay, can you say nanny? Cade, can you say nanny? Where's Nanny? Where's Nana? Where is she? Where's she? Is she gone? Did she go home? Did she go see Gramps? Can you say Gramps? Can you say Gramps? Can you say Gramps? Can you say Nana? Can you say Nana? He's been going nanny, nanny, nanny. Cade. Cade. Did you drop something? Did you say, uh-oh? What's wrong? Can you say Gamps? Gramps? Mwah. I love you. You want to go fishing? Want to go fishing with Gramps? Go fishing with Gramps? Can you tell Gramps? Say, I'll go fishing. I'll go fishing, Gramps. Yeah? Say fish. Fish.